let's talk about the future. And not some far-off sci-fi future. I'm talking about the future that's being built right now. And at the heart of it all is artificial intelligence. If you've ever wondered, okay, what does a career in AI really mean? Like beyond all the hype, then you've come to the right place. We're gonna break it all down. You know, it's kind of wild when you stop and think about it. For decades, AI was just stuff you'd see in the movies, right? Thinking computers, super smart robots. But now, it's everywhere. It's in the shows that get recommended to you. It's the voice assistant on your phone. AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's just life. And that brings us to the big question, the one we're really digging into today. With all this crazy change happening, what does it mean for your career? Because let me tell you, where there's change, there's a whole lot of opportunity. So let's figure out what this AI-powered world could mean for you. Okay, first things first, let's talk about the AI career boom. And when I say boom, I'm not kidding. This isn't just some little trend. We're talking about a massive global shift that's changing the game for pretty much every industry out there. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You hear all this talk about AI taking over jobs, and look, sure, some jobs are gonna change, they're gonna evolve, but that's not the real story here. The real story is about all the brand new jobs that AI is creating. It's like a massive engine for opportunity, cranking out these incredible new career paths in, well, everywhere. Healthcare, finance, even fashion and entertainment. So it's not really about replacement, it's about a total transformation. So who are these people on the front lines actually building this stuff? Let's dive in and meet the AI professionals. These are the folks turning all these cool, abstract ideas into reality. Okay, first up, the machine learning engineer. I want you to think of these folks as the master builders of the AI world. They're the ones who take a cool data science model and actually build it into something that works in the real world, at scale. You know, making sure it doesn't just work on one computer, but can handle a flood of data from millions of people. They literally build the engines that make the AI revolution run. All right, so if the ML engineer is the builder, the data scientist is the super sleuth, the detective. Their whole job is to parachute into these enormous, messy piles of data and find the clues. They're looking for hidden patterns, for insights nobody else can see. And the stories they uncover, they're the ones that help a company figure out what to do next, to make those really smart decisions. This is where it gets really cool, because this is where AI gets a body. A robotics engineer literally gives AI hands and feet and wheels. They design and build the actual robots that take AI out of the computer and put it into the physical world. It's this amazing mashup of hardcore programming, mechanical engineering, and electrical know-how. We're talking about bringing smart machines to life everywhere, from factories to hospitals. Okay, now this role is fascinating. And honestly, it's becoming one of the most important jobs in the entire field. The AI ethicist. As AI gets more and more powerful, somebody has to be the conscience, right? The moral compass. That's what they do. They're the ones asking the really hard questions, like, is this fair? Is this technology biased? What's the real impact on people? They make sure we're building a future that's not just smart, but also responsible. So, feeling a little inspired? I hope so. Now, let's get practical. Let's talk about what you actually need to pack for this journey. It's time to open up your professional AI toolkit and see what's inside. Now, here's something that's absolutely critical to understand. To really succeed in AI, you've got to be a master of two different worlds. On one hand, you have the hardcore technical skills. You absolutely need to know your stuff. Programming, big data tools, and understanding concepts like neural networks. But, and this is a big but, that's only half the battle. The other half is all about the soft skills. Can you communicate your ideas? Can you work in a team? Can you think critically and solve problems that aren't in a textbook? You have to be able to not only build the amazing tech, but also explain to everyone else why it's so amazing and what it means. And here are some of the go-to tools you'll find in that toolkit. First up, Python. It's pretty much everywhere. It's like the Swiss Army knife for AI because it's so flexible. Then you have R, which is an absolute beast for heavy-duty statistics and data analysis. For the really big, performance-hungry projects, you'll see a lot of Java and C++. And then you've got platforms like TensorFlow, which are like these amazing Lego kits that give you all the pre-built pieces you need to construct really complex AI systems. Okay, so let's pull the camera back a bit. A lot of people think AI jobs are just for tech companies in Silicon Valley, but that's just not true anymore. The reality is, AI is popping up in every single industry you can imagine. Let's take a look at just how widespread this really is. So if you're a builder, a creator, someone who just loves to make stuff, well, AI is about to become your new best friend. We're talking about automotive engineers building the AI brains that powers self-driving cars, or visual effects artists using AI to create mind-blowing movie magic. Even designers are using it as a creative partner to come up with thousands of new ideas in the blink of an eye. Now, what if you're more of an analyst, a strategist? For you, AI is like a superpower. Think about it. In finance, quants are using AI to predict the stock market faster than any human ever could. In healthcare, medical imaging analysts are using AI to find diseases in scans with incredible accuracy, literally saving lives. And in government, analysts are using it to protect national security. It's all about finding that signal in the noise. And get this, it's not just in the heavy-duty industries. AI is shaking things up in places you might never expect. I'm talking about fashion, with AI-powered stylists that can put together the perfect outfit just for you. In retail, it's helping manage inventory so there's less waste. Even in the beauty and wellness world, you've got AI helping create personalized skincare routines. It's all about using tech to create these super customized, super smart experiences for all of us. So, as you can see, the possibilities are just huge, and they're growing literally every single day. So the big question left is, how do you get started? How do you jump in? Let's wrap this up with a simple game plan for you to start your own AI journey. All right, here's your roadmap. It really comes down to 3 key things. Number 1, you've got to build that solid technical foundation. There's no way around it. Learn the programming languages, get comfortable with the tools. Number 2, become obsessed with solving problems. The tech is cool, but it's just a tool. The real magic happens when you use it to solve a real-world challenge. And finally, number 3, always think about the ethics. Build with a conscience. The goal isn't just to build powerful AI, it's to build AI that makes the world a better, fairer place. So yeah, the future is absolutely packed with possibilities, and AI is right at the center of it all. It's not something that's just going to happen to us, it's something that is being actively built, piece by piece, right now. The only question left is, are you ready to be a part of it,